Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to record Skype calls. While you are on call on Skype, you can record the video call or voice call. This call recording works perfectly from mobile to mobile or mobile to PC. Let's open the Skype and let's make a call. Here for demonstration purpose I am making a video call. Here you can see that the call is connected. Once the call is connected, at the bottom right you can see the three dots. Click on that. And now you will have an option called as start recording. Click on the record button. It will start recording the call. Here you can see that at the top you can see the recording is going on. You can stop the call recording by clicking on stop recording at the top, and also at the bottom you can click on three dots and click on stop recording. You can do it in two ways. I would like to stop the recording by clicking at the top. Now the call recording has stopped. If you forgot to stop the call recording, once you disconnect the call recording will automatically save. Once the call is disconnected, you have to wait for a few seconds. The recorded clip will be sent to you and to your friends. Here is the latest call recording clip. Let's play this. Here you can see that the recorded clip will be shown like this. This works similarly from mobile to PC also. So that's it guys. In this way you can record the call on Skype. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.